In the vast expanse of the cosmos, there exist forces we cannot see, yet their influence shapes our universe. These forces, though invisible to the naked eye, are fundamental to the very fabric of reality. They govern the motion of celestial bodies, the formation of galaxies, and even the flow of time itself. Gravity, for example, holds planets in orbit and dictates the flow of time. It is a force that we have come to understand through centuries of scientific inquiry, yet it remains an unseen hand guiding the cosmos. Similarly, in our digital age, a new unseen force is shaping our lives: artificial intelligence, or AI. This modern force is not bound by the physical laws of nature but by algorithms and data, silently influencing our daily routines and decisions. AI is not just the stuff of science fiction movies, it's subtly woven into the fabric of our everyday experiences. From the moment we wake up and check our smartphones to the time we set our alarms before bed, AI is there, working behind the scenes. It's the intelligence behind the scenes, quietly working its magic to make our lives easier, more efficient, and, yes, even more entertaining. Whether it's recommending a new song, optimizing our route to work, or automating our home, AI is constantly at work. But like the unseen forces of the universe, we often don't realize its presence, even as it guides our decisions and shapes our perceptions. It influences what we read, what we watch, and even how we interact with the world around us. From the moment we wake up to the time we drift off to sleep, AI is constantly at work. It personalizes our news feeds, curates our entertainment, and even monitors our health through wearable devices. It's the reason you see that personalized ad on your social media feed, tailored specifically to your interests and browsing history. The technology that helps you navigate traffic, predicting the fastest routes and avoiding congestion with remarkable accuracy. And the voice that answers your questions through your smart speaker, providing information, setting reminders, and even controlling your smart home devices. AI is becoming so seamlessly integrated into our lives that we hardly notice its presence. It operates quietly in the background, making our interactions with technology feel natural and intuitive. Yet, understanding AI is crucial. As it becomes more pervasive, the need to comprehend its workings and implications grows. It's not just about knowing how to use AI, but also about understanding its potential impact on society. As this technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented rate, it's more important than ever to grasp its implications, both positive and potential. The future of AI holds immense promise, but it also poses significant challenges that we must be prepared to address. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of AI, uncovering its hidden influence and exploring its potential to revolutionize our future. Together, we'll navigate the complexities of this transformative technology and discover how it can be harnessed for the greater good. One of the most promising frontiers for AI lies in the realm of healthcare. The integration of artificial intelligence into medical practices is not just a futuristic concept, it is happening right now, transforming the way we approach health and wellness. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed with greater accuracy and speed, where the margin for error is significantly reduced, and where patients receive the right diagnosis the first time. In this world, personalized treatment plans are readily available, tailored to the unique genetic makeup and lifestyle of each individual. This means that treatments are not just more effective but also come with fewer side effects. Life-saving interventions are deployed with unprecedented precision, thanks to robotic surgery and other advanced medical procedures guided by AI. These technologies are making surgeries less invasive and recovery times shorter. This is the potential of AI in medicine. It is not just about making existing processes more efficient, it is about redefining what is possible in healthcare. AI algorithms, with their ability to analyze vast amounts of data, are proving to be invaluable tools for medical professionals. They can process information at speeds and accuracies that are simply unattainable by human standards. These algorithms can sift through countless medical images, identifying subtle anomalies that might escape the human eye. This capability is revolutionizing fields like radiology, where early and accurate detection is crucial. Leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses, AI is helping doctors catch diseases in their nascent stages, when they are most treatable. This is particularly crucial in the fight against diseases like cancer. In the battle against cancer, early detection can be the difference between life and death. AI's ability to identify cancerous cells at an early stage is a game changer, offering hope to millions. Beyond diagnostics, AI is also revolutionizing the way we treat diseases. It is enabling the development of new therapies and treatment protocols that are more effective and less invasive. By analyzing a patient's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history, AI algorithms can help doctors develop personalized treatment plans tailored to an individual's unique needs. This approach ensures that patients receive the most effective treatments with the least amount of risk. This personalized approach to medicine promises to usher in an era of more effective and targeted healthcare, where treatments are not just one-size-fits-all, but are specifically designed for each patient. Improving patient outcomes and potentially saving countless lives, AI is making healthcare more proactive rather than reactive. This shift is leading to better health and longer lives for patients around the world. The integration of AI into healthcare is still in its early stages, but the potential benefits are undeniable. As these technologies continue to evolve, they will become even more integral to medical practice. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications emerge. These innovations will not only enhance the capabilities of healthcare providers, but also empower patients to take control of their own health, transforming the medical landscape and improving the health and well-being of people around the world. AI is set to usher in a new era of healthcare. This is just the beginning of what promises to be a revolutionary journey. The world of finance, with its complex transactions and vast amounts of data, is another domain where AI is making significant inroads. From detecting fraudulent activities to optimizing investment strategies, AI is quietly working behind the scenes to safeguard our money and make the financial system more secure and efficient. One of the most prevalent uses of AI in finance is fraud detection. AI algorithms can analyze millions of transactions in real time, identifying suspicious patterns and flagging potentially fraudulent activities. This helps financial institutions protect their customers from financial losses and maintain the integrity of the financial system. AI is also transforming the way we invest. Algorithmic trading, powered by AI, allows investors to execute trades at lightning-fast speeds based on pre-programmed instructions and market analysis. These algorithms can analyze market trends, identify investment opportunities, and execute trades with a speed and efficiency that surpasses human capabilities. While AI's role in finance has raised concerns about job displacement, it's important to remember that AI is a tool. It can automate tasks, but it also creates new opportunities. As AI takes over routine tasks, it frees up human financial experts to focus on more complex and strategic work, leading to a more sophisticated and resilient financial system. Think about the last time you scrolled through your social media feed. You might have noticed that the posts, videos, and ads you saw seemed almost tailor-made for you. Or perhaps you were browsing a streaming service for a movie or TV show to watch. The content you saw wasn't randomly presented to you, it was carefully curated. This curation is done, in part, by sophisticated AI algorithms designed to keep you engaged and entertained. Recommendation systems powered by AI are now ubiquitous in the entertainment industry. These systems track your viewing habits, analyzing what you watch, when you watch it, and how you interact with the content. They gather data on your preferences and even your emotional responses to content, using this information to refine their suggestions. This data-driven approach allows these systems to suggest movies, TV shows, music, and even books that align with your tastes and interests. This personalized approach to entertainment ensures that you're constantly presented with content that you're likely to enjoy, making your leisure time more engaging and satisfying. But the influence of AI on entertainment goes beyond just recommendations. AI is now being used to create original content, from composing music to writing scripts. Imagine a world where your favorite songs and movies are not just recommended by AI but created by it. AI is now being used to create original content, from composing music that resonates with your mood to generating scripts that captivate your imagination. While the idea of AI-generated art might seem futuristic, it's already a reality. AI-powered tools are assisting artists in pushing creative boundaries, exploring new forms of expression, and bringing their visions to life in ways that were previously unimaginable. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the entertainment industry. From virtual reality experiences that transport you to new worlds, to interactive storytelling that adapts to your choices, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we consume and engage with entertainment, blurring the lines between the real and the digital. Imagine a future where your entertainment is not just personalized but also interactive and immersive, creating experiences that are uniquely yours. The possibilities are endless, and the future of entertainment is more exciting than ever.